Is Thailand surfing actually good? Most people see photo of Phuket and think, are the wave only for kids or beginner on a big foam board? They just think it's just mellow and tiny. But if you know where to look, that is a total myth. Today, I'm going to show you two sides of Phuket. We are comparing Kata Beach, the beginner paradise, with Kalim Reef, which is where the local go when they want something punchier and faster. Let's see which one is right for you. Let's start with Kata Beach. If you are learning to surf, this is the best place in Southeast Asia. Why? Because of the sand. At Kata, the bottom is all soft sand. There are no rocks or no coral. This is so important because when you are a beginner, you fall a lot. Knowing you will land on a soft sand gives you so much confidence. The waves here are mellow. They move slowly, which gives you time to think about your feet and your balance. It's a perfect place to practice your pop-up and just enjoy the water. It's friendly, it's fun, and the vibe in the water is very relaxed. Now, let's talk about Kalim. This is completely a different world. Kalim is a reef break, not a beach break. This means the wave break over the rocks and coral, not a sand. You can see it immediately. The waves at Kalim are faster, steeper, and much more powerful. This is where the local pros and the advanced surfers go because it's a reef. The wave is very consistent. It breaks in the same place every time. If you want to practice your turns or find a little bit of power, Kalim is the spot. But be careful because of the rocks. You have to know what you're doing. You need to check the tide. If the tide is too low, the rocks are very close to the surface. It's exciting, but it definitely has a bite. So let's compare them. On the left, you see Kata. Soft, slow, and safe. Perfect for longboard and beginners. On the right, you see Kalim. Fast, rocky, and punchy. Perfect for shortboards and experienced surfers. This is why I love Phuket. You can start your morning at Kata for a chill log session. If the swell gets big, you can drive 10 to 15 minutes to Kalim for a real challenge. Thailand surfing isn't just good, it's actually very diverse. My advice, if this is your first time, stay in Kata. There are many surf schools and the water is very safe. If you are intermediate surfer, try Kalim. But go with the local friend first so they can show where the rocks are. Also, remember the monsoon season May to October. This is when this spot really come alive. The water is warm, the community is great, and you don't need a thick wetsuit. So what do you think? Are you a Kata chill surfer or a Kalim Reef surfer? Let me know in the comment. I'm off to check the wave now. Hopefully I see you out there. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple Phuket surf tips. See you in the water. Bye!